Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to talk about sessions. So first of all, create a new file and name it sessions.php. So in order to use sessions, you have to write at the top of the page session underscore start. So you have to write it, otherwise it will not work. And then $_session, and you have to give a name to the key. So for example, name, and it is an array. So name is equal to John, for example, and $_session. For example, we want to store the password of the user to password, which will be equal to password, or you can write 1 2 3 here, $_session. You can also store his email, so is equal to abc@gmail.com. I don't know whether this is the real Gmail or not of somebody. So now how can we access it? So it can be accessed like the loops, or we use the methods for the array. For example, $_session and name, and we will equate out. So now let's check the result, and we will see the name John here, and you can see John here. But let's use another built-in function, which is print underscore r, and we will pass $_session. So it will show us all of the its values. Okay, so name John, password 1 2 3, and email is equal to abc@gmail.com. So now where is this stored? So it is stored in a cookie, and now you can see cookies to and use. Okay, the PHP session, and this our cookie stored. Okay, if you want to unset this session and destroy it, so what we will do, first we will unset this $_session, and then we will use session_destroy method, so it will be destroyed. So for the demonstration purpose, let's copy this and paste it right here, or let's paste it right here at the end. Now you can see an error, and you can see an error, undefined variable $_session on line 16. Okay, so we have no sessions, and our session has been destroyed. So that's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks, and see you in the next video.